Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Create a crypto.com account and enable Onchain services in the app settings. After installing the app, open Wallet and Follow prompts to add an Onchain wallet. This activates deposit and withdrawal rails for supported blockchains. Verify identity with government ID to lift sending limits to 5,000 and access withdrawals, because unverified accounts have stricter caps. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for secure logins and set a strong password. Record the account, email, and backup method so you can recover access if needed. Find your Onchain wallet address in Wallet Deposit and copy the address carefully, verifying the first and last characters match. For ETH and ERC20, include the 0x address and select Network Ethereum to avoid loss, because sending ERC20 on the wrong chain can permanently lose funds. Use the app's QR code for mobile transfers and always note network fees and confirmations needed. Minimum on-chain deposit is 0.001 ETH or network minimum shown on the app, and higher tokens may require different minimums. When sending on-chain, always double-check the address. Mistakes are irreversible, so compare characters and use copy-paste then verify. Set appropriate gas fees or choose priority to speed transactions versus lower cost, and monitor estimated confirmation times before you confirm. For larger transfers, split into smaller test sends to confirm receipt. Keep your recovery seed offline and do not share it. Crypto.com support cannot recover seeds or private keys. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and revoke unused approvals in connected app lists regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.